Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today's video will surely blow your mind. Especially if you're a freelance graphic designer, if you're a social media manager and you create graphic posts for your client's social media account or for your business, then this video is definitely for you. I'm gonna show you how to create stunning carousel posts with the help of another no-code tool and an AI tool, which is Canva and ChatGPT. So I'm gonna show you how to create those carousel posts 10x faster. All right, I'm gonna show you how you can create that in no time. So that means that you'll have more time to grow your business, you'll have more time to get clients, you'll have more time to create contents, and not to mention, you can charge more. So if you're excited, I am too, so let's get started. Alright, so now, nakalagin na ako sa Canva. So this is what Canva looks like. If you don't have an account yet, simply go to canva.com, create a free account. Alright, and let's just say for this example, we're gonna create a carousel post for LinkedIn. Alright, so go to social media, look for LinkedIn. Okay, and the good thing about Canva is it's a no-code tool. And it's super easy to use kahit you don't have any background when it comes to creating contents or graphic design. Sobrang daling gamitin ni Canva. And plus, it has a lot of templates. You can choose from thousands of different templates. Okay, so let's just say, for example, I want this. I'm gonna use something simple. I'm gonna use probably this. No, I'm gonna use this. No, not that. I'm gonna use something simple. Nakakita na ako kanina na wala siya. But I don't want this. This one. We're gonna use this one. Alright, so now that we have a template to use in Canva, we now go to ChatGPT. Again, ChatGPT is a no-code tool. Sobrang useful. I use ChatGPT for everything, for almost lahat ng content na ginagawa ko, or ginagamit ko. Lahat yon from ChatGPT. Alright, so ChatGPT, I've asked for tips for high converting landing page, and it gave me this. Alright, so I'm using the free plan ng ChatGPT, and sometimes it takes a while to generate a response. Alright, but I was given actually more than 5 tips, like 15 slides, but we're gonna get 5 lang. Alright, so now that we have the actual content for our carousel post, we need to get this information. We need to copy and paste this information over to our Canva template. Alright, so if you don't see bulk create dito sa side na to ni Canva, just go to apps and you'll see bulk create there. Tapos pag nakita mo, just click that. Alright, so since I have it here, I just need to click bulk create, enter data manually. Later, I'm gonna show you another way to do it by doing it automatically, kasi now we're gonna do it manually. Alright, I'm gonna show you that. So very basic. So we have 2 columns, name and email, and we're gonna change that because we don't need name and email. What we need is a headline and a content. So let's just say I'm gonna change this to page. Let's just say page, para alam ko how many pages is yung carousel post ko. So I'm gonna change this to a header, and I'm gonna add another text for content, and I'm gonna change this to number 1. Number 1. This is number 1. This is number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 examples. So our header, you don't need this, you don't need that. So basically, copy lang natin whatever information we have on ChatGPT. Okay, so for example, Nasa na tayo? Let's just say we have this, okay? This is the header, okay? And we have this as the content. And another one, this is the headline. And we just paste it, here's the header, and then we have the content. And paste it here, so we have another one. And basically, again, copy and paste everything we have here sa ChatGPT. Okay, paste it here, and the rest would be over sa content. And lastly, the visitor will language for a reason is another header, and then the rest would go dito sa content. Now, we have our header and content, everything from ChatGPT. Okay, sa ChatGPT, dito magaling yung content natin. Okay, the captions and the actual copy ng content. Okay, so I've asked for tips for high converting landing page, and it gave me a lot of information, but kukuha lang tayo ng 5, alright, to make it shorter. And then just click done. Now that we have that, all we need to do now is to connect this information, this data over to our template. Okay, so for example, this quote, I need this to be the header. Okay, this is going to be my header. And I don't like this font. I can actually change it to maybe this. Chloe. Alright. That's better. And I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Okay, a little smaller. Kasi medyo mahaba yung headline natin. So, yeah. That is okay. For me, that's okay. And this is going to be the content. Okay, and again, I'm gonna change the font. It's up to you. You can choose from a variety of fonts dito kay Canva. Alright, and I don't want it to be italic. So, ayan. Make sure lang na nakagitna. And this is going to be our number, or it's going to be the page number, right? And I don't want that font. I'm just gonna replace that, and I'm gonna make it smaller. Let's say 20. Okay, I'm good. And now we need to connect again this information over to our template. Okay, so right click, see that connect data. So this is going to be our header, and this is going to be our content, and this is going to be our page. Okay, so naka-check na lahat. That means that everything is connected dito sa template natin. And next thing is to click continue. And everything is selected. Kung gusto mo, kunwari 1, 2, or 3 lang yung selected. But for this example, select natin lahat. 1 to 5. Generate 5 pages. And boom. Okay, medyo ayusin lang natin. Ayusin lang natin ng konti. Maybe let's make this a little bit better, a little bit smaller. Let's say 37, and this is the headline. Okay, that's better. And alright, so now we're gonna try to automate this pa even more. Okay, so we're gonna use the same content. Okay, so I'm just gonna say na turn this into a sheet. Okay, so I'm just asking ChatGPT to create like a table format for me. Okay. I just asked ChatGPT to turn it into a sheet or into a table. So, binigyan niya ako ng ganito. Sinimplify niya kasi kanina medyo mahaba, diba? So, I asked ChatGPT to simplify it and turn it into a table. So, binigyan niya ako nito. And all I need to do is copy it and paste it inside a Google Sheet. Alright? So, once na nasa Google Sheet na siya, okay, once na nasa Google Sheet na siya, may page and my content na ako, 1 to 15, and I have a content, I can just download this as CSV file, okay, and design tips, okay na sa kanya, design tips. Alright, so I'll go back to Canva, I'll select LinkedIn posts ulit, okay, this time naman, let's use a different template para makita nyo naman yung difference, okay, so let's just say, let's choose a different template, ano bang maganda, yung simple lang sana, okay, let's try to use this, template. Okay, so let's use this very simple na template lang. Okay, let's remove, sobrang simple. Okay, ito, let's go with this. Okay, remove natin yan. We don't need that, we don't need the image. Okay, so this is going to be our content. So kanina meron tayong content, diba? So balikan natin content. So we have this file. So i-connect like what we did kanina. I-connect lang natin yung content natin dito. Okay? And Roca 1. Let's turn this to Roca 1, shall we? Alright. Let's make this 44. Okay, so ungroup natin. Ungroup natin siya. Delete natin to. And this one, this is going to be our page, or ito yung number natin. Okay? Dita natin siya, let's say 24, and dito siya sa baba. Okay, so now that we have it, let's just say ito yung logo natin. Okay, now that we have that, we just need to click on bulk create. Kanina we did it manually. We entered the data manually, yung mga contents manually. Now, we're gonna upload yung sheet na ginawa natin from ChatGPT pa din. Okay, so upload CSV file, download design tips. So again, I have the page and the content, okay, na data. So I need to connect it. So it's going to be my content, and this is going to be my page. Alright, so once it's done, oops, na-disconnect ko, sorry. This is going to be my content, and this is going to be my page. Alright, so pag once nilagay niyo yung bracket na to, mako-connect na siya automatically. Alright, so let's click continue, and I'll select everything. Let's just say I need 10 lang. So I'll go with 10. Okay, so hindi ko isa-select yung iba, and I'm going to click generate 10 pages. And Canva will create that content for me. Okay, it's as simple as that. Imagine if you have like 3-4 hours a day to create this, gano'ng kadami yung content na magagawa mo, diba? So yan, so maybe you can add like images. Well, actually the images you can automate that as well, but maybe I'll show that in another video. But for now, that's that. So once it's done, you can download it as a file. I'm gonna show you yung ginagawa ko kanina. I was able to create something earlier. So this is what I was able to come up kanina. So I have this kanina. So nagawa ko siya by applying this technique. So if you're creating carousel posts, or if you want to try carousel posts sa LinkedIn, sa Instagram, or sa Facebook accounts nyo, you can use this strategy. Alright, so if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright,